Meaning of flavorful.
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 Flavorful. Flavorful refers to something that has a rich, distinctive taste. When an item is described as flavorful, it means that it has a complex and appealing taste profile that engages the senses. This can be achieved through the use of various herbs, spices, and other seasonings that deepen and enhance the core flavors of a dish. A flavorful meal will stimulate the senses and leave a lasting impression on the palate, making it a memorable and enjoyable experience. Ultimately, flavorful represents a high standard of taste and culinary expertise.